Hello friends, come back with us on our channel Prasetya. Okay friends, on this occasion we will give a tutorial on how to get NBT in the nano ovest application. Okay, the first step, friends, open the nano ovest application. Okay, then friends enter the invite friends feature and get 20 NBT every time your friends register. You can see this feature and click this feature. Okay, and then for friends who have not used the nano ovest application, friends, you can download it via link I embed in the description column on this video. Then please friends, enter my invitation code. Yes, below. Then share the following. Link with your friend via social media that you have. Click this icon. Then I hope it's useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you friends.